Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to fix a small bug error. I'm trying to install NetBeans 8.2 using Linux, but now I'm getting an error which says permission denied. Simply means we don't have permission to this, and always when you see when also I sudo, I can't do that. Look, I'm gonna say sudo, then I take this, copy, then I do this, enter, still I can't do that, you get me? So it gives me an error. So how do you fix that? There are many ways to do that. Some people are gonna tell you that you should do something like this. You can use your command prompt, or you can also go and do things manually. How do you do that? You're gonna go to your downloads folder, go where you also put your file, because I don't know where you did put your file. Me, I put it in my downloads folder. Then you right click on the file, you say properties, then you click on permissions, then you check everything to be, you can see group read only, access on root, and here on root it says access read and write. So what we got to do is to click on here and say read and write, and also here read and write. So after that it's fine. Let's try to see if it's gonna work for us. We're gonna recall the command, one of the commands here. We can do that. It still give us a prompt. You say command not found. Okay, tells that command don't found. Okay, let me try this and copy this, put it here. Command not found. What it says? Permission denied. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna go back here, and still we go and say we're going to go and take this, allow executing files as programs. We say okay, let's try that, and we still wanna recall this command, the old one. You can see now it gave us a chance to install our Java. What it's extracting, it's gonna install our our Java NetBeans. Yeah guys, I'm also proceeding with the installation of NetBeans. I'm gonna, no, I won't proceed. I'm gonna stop it here. I wanted to show people how to do this. Let me cancel this, and I will install it in the next video, because this one, it was intended to show you guys how to fix that error. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel. And also, it's not only that you can use that, you can use like your commands, whereby you can say chmod, then you say mod, then you say, you can use this, whereby you can say minus capital R, then you say 777, 777 can say, oh no, I'm sorry, it has to be insert, yeah. So you can move that and say 777 space, then you can put downloads. Remember that file is in downloads. We're in downloads already, we don't need that. Then we can put this file here. If you don't, you're a guy who don't like to use what they call graphic user interface, if you love to use commands, you can say enter. So once you're done with that, simply means everything is fine. So the file permissions have changed to 777 read, execute and write. Everything is 100% fine. But in the first step, we showed you how to do it using without using codes. You know, some people, they don't want to use codes. So anyway, it's fine for everyone. It's a 50-50. So we're trying to see that everything is easy for everybody, whoever uses a graphical user interface, also those who use code, who love code. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, whereby we're gonna be showing how to install the software.